Here's the problem. High-growth companies consistently struggle to find the right investors and critical talent at key growth stages. What if what took companies 7 years to accomplish can now take just 3? We're building a fintech platform that solves this problem for high-growth companies, investors, and critical talent. Our goal is to knock down walls for companies, investors, and talent. Our focus is on startups to lower middle market, venture capital to growth equity investors, and remote contract to full-time talent. While digital solutions have come a long way in a short amount of time, talent acquisition and investor development has remained in the 20th century. Traditionally, investor and talent development relied on warm intros through physical networks. Then came the hybrid ecosystem with platforms like LinkedIn, which is set to have 1 billion users in 2022. However, users are becoming fatigued due to unvalidated user credentials, spam cold calls, and irrelevant news feeds. Then, platforms like PitchBook, Crunchbase, and Greenhouse made accessing data points and contact information readily available. However, cold calls remain the primary method of contact. Neon Venture is the next step forward as a true growth platform that matches the right company with the right investors and critical talent at key growth stages. We're the first platform to holistically drive growth. We increase the investment conversion rate 50 times over the traditional process. But we also know that operational talent is critical for high-growth companies. We bring the equivalent of $100,000 per hire in value-added talent acquisition and evaluation services. This is the equivalent of a top executive search firm. We regularly capture real-time information for more than 1.5 million companies from 50,000 data sources. Our AI cross-references both historical data and predictive growth signals. Our platform provides unique value for investors through 3 core features: proprietary deal flow, AI-driven warm intros, and highly efficient deal execution. When a company is ready for investment and investors are ready to invest, they both specify this on their respective dashboards along with criteria. Companies then link their audited financials with one click. Once companies and investors set their respective criteria, our AI works behind the scenes to strategically match companies and investors, which appear on the main dashboard. Our AI cross-references both historical data and predictive growth signals, including financial data. When company momentum exceeds industry benchmarks, they are immediately flagged. Investors get notified on their live dashboard when a high-growth company is flagged. Our AI provides predictive indicators of immediate growth potential cross-referenced from key metrics such as company momentum and management track record, giving investors the ability to identify their next potential unicorn. Once matched, both companies and investors can connect with each other using Zoom or Slack directly on the platform, and investors can track the progress of any company they wish. Finalize business plans and investment cases faster. Key market and company analysis are available from more than 50,000 sources. Investors can access the investor portal where company data like legal documents, financials, media, and investor presentations are available. Our platform provides unique value for talent acquisition through 3 core features: validated candidate credentials, AI-driven competency-based assessment, and a proprietary database of key talent. Talent can quickly and easily create their profile using their LinkedIn account with one click. To engage with talent, a company simply posts a job listing on the company profile. Talent is then identified according to company criteria. Qualifying candidates are notified in their inbox where they can accept or reject the interview request. Candidates are taken through preliminary validation, where they can use their mobile device to upload documents and ID, saving companies time and money by automating the screening process. Once selected candidates are validated, both company and talent can now interact. Final round interviews will then go to full resume validation. Candidates that are shortlisted are asked to upload a video of themselves answering a set of competency-based interview questions tailored to the specific position. Then, our AI acts as an executive recruiter and scores the candidate's fit to the position and the company. Companies can retain all historical candidate information, giving them the opportunity to accrue a highly valuable talent database. No more recreating the wheel. Because we're the first company to use AI to truly accelerate growth, we're uniquely positioned to succeed. We're creating a huge opportunity for investors to 50 times their deal flow conversion and $100,000 of value-added services for critical hires. We're able to move away from cold calls to AI-driven warm intros. We see multiple pathways to 10 times returns, and we have a proven team. Neon Venture is the world's first full-solution growth platform that connects the right company, investors, and talent at the right time. We enable companies to accelerate growth, reach the right investors and talent at critical growth stages, and organically increase valuation. We're offering investors proprietary deal flow, AI-ensured strategic fit, and effective deal execution. And we're helping talent with AI-determined company fit, faster and more effective job offers, and visibility to high-growth companies.